Hello, I'm Griffin, and I'll be presenting about hydrolysis. This legend will be present at the bottom left side of the presentation. Hydrolysis is the process of adding water molecules to separate biomolecules such as proteins. This candy model will represent an amino acid. These toothpicks will represent covalent bonds. And these blue toothpicks will be a special bond called a peptide bond. In this documentary, we will show hydrolysis between two amino acids bonded together in a peptide bond, which is a type of bond between two amino acids. You start with a protein, which in this case would be a bipeptide, which, as you can see, is missing two hydrogens and one carbon between the two, which were taken out during dehydration synthesis, in which you take out a water molecule and bond the two remaining amino acids together. Hydrolysis starts when a water molecule comes in and inserts itself between the carbon and nitrogen of the bonded amino acids, or in this example, between the two glycines, separating the two amino acids' peptide bonds as well as its own covalent bonds in the water molecule. The broken up parts of the water molecule are now connected to the two separate amino acids. The carboxyl group of the first amino acid now has a hydrogen atom and a carbon atom attached to it instead of the second amino acid, while the second amino acid now has one hydrogen atom connected to the amino group. This allows them to be recycled and do a dehydration reaction again, which is when it takes away a water molecule, leaving the two amino acids in a covalent bond. Hydrolysis occurs in a cell when it's breaking down a protein or another biomolecule. This way, the organism can save the amino acid for future proteins by recycling it. And as for other biomolecules, it can use hydrolysis to separate their polymer, and it can be used to access stored energy like glucose and ATP. To recap, hydrolysis is the separating of biomolecules by adding water molecules, so it can be used or saved and reused later. Thank you for taking time to watch our presentation. It was made by Jacob, Mason, and Griffin.